never listen to the extra noises. My name is Candice and I work as a physiotherapist at a hospital. I feel like I'm not earning enough, and I have had dabbled in investing for the past 2 years since the COVID pandemic, but I've made more losses than gains, I think. So I would really like to be educated, having knowledge at what I'm doing. I feel that with the knowledge, I'll be able to make better choices, and obviously I think everyone wants to have more wins than losses when it comes to investing. Cayden himself as a speaker, I think he's really engaging and he's really genuine. The overall feel I get from this program is that they are not really here to earn money. They are really here to help people. They just really want people to be more educated in investing. So I thought that was very good. Sometimes you don't get that from some of the other programs or other workshops. And then the most interesting part, I think, would be the games actually. And I thought the game was quite practical. It really taught us some lessons, and I thought that was interesting, the effort that they put in to make sure the game goes well. The most helpful lesson I think I learned is that never listen to the extra noises. There are a lot of noises, everyone says something. I think the best thing is to do your homework, do what you know, do it well, and then I think you will make the better choice than just listening. This is what happened to me. I listened to everything outside. I listened to my friends. I searched the net, and that led me to make more losses actually. So I think I want to rely on myself, doing what I know. Yes, I would recommend VIP to my friend. In fact, I've already mentioned about this program to my colleagues at work. They also want to learn more about investing.